a business Instagram account or a creator Instagram account. So this is a personal Instagram account that I have recently switched in the previous video. This is the video from 2024 18th March. So simply tap on these three vertical lines right here, and here you have to scroll down, and here in the profession settings you might see the account types and tools, because this is where you have the process begins. So simply you have to tap on switch to professional account. I know it seems weird, but professional accounts is equals to a creator or a business Instagram account. So just finish this setup and tap on continue and continue. Now here is the category section, so you have to select whatever your category is. Suppose you have a community, so tap on this. If you want to display it on profile, then you can turn it on. Tap on the done button right here, and here are the options. Are you a business? So either you can create a business Instagram account or a creator Instagram account. For instance, we are creating a creator Instagram account, so tap on the creator and tap next. You can just enable this, and the account has been successfully created. This is now a creator Instagram account. It has all the insights option right here. It has the post boost options right here, insights, etc. I hope you found the video helpful.